Welcome to this video where we take you on an exceptional journey to the world of success and power, to Malaysia, and with the giant DXN Holding Company. We present to you the ideal project that will fulfill your goals and ambitions. If you are looking for the best, then you are in the right place. Many of us face daily challenges, whether you are unemployed, employed, or perhaps own a small business that you are trying to develop, or you are responsible for managing a large institution. Things are not always easy. These challenges may include increasing productivity and reducing costs, providing more time for your family, paying more attention to your health, and achieving a balance between work and life in general. DXN offers you a unique opportunity to earn money while taking care of your health and optimizing your time by creating your own business. Additionally, you will discover how ordinary individuals can become entrepreneurs in this extraordinary world without needing capital, experience, advanced degrees, or specialized skills. DXN Company was founded in Malaysia in 1993 by Dr. Lim Siow Jin. Over the course of 30 years since its inception until the date of this video, our global giant farms and factories have expanded to encompass several regions worldwide, including China, India, Indonesia, Mexico, Peru, the United Arab Emirates, and Morocco. DXN includes over 17 million members worldwide from more than 180 countries to date. In 2019, it was ranked 15th globally among the strongest direct selling companies in the world, with sales exceeding $1 billion for the year 2018, according to Direct Selling News magazine. When Dr. Lim was asked about the secret of DXN's remarkable success, he always answered with three things: product quality, system quality, and honesty.
We have good products, we have good system, and we are honest. We do not cheat, This makes the thing is very simple.
DXN has a range of over 280 products from various categories, including food and beverages, dietary supplements, beauty, and personal care. Its products are among the highest quality in the organic products market, having obtained numerous global quality certifications such as ISO certification for international quality, GMP certification for quality manufacturing, as well as other certifications for organic farming, credibility, and risk-free. DXN adopts a direct selling system. Unlike the traditional sales system, which involves advertising and traditional distribution through a chain of intermediaries, working with our company is done by promoting the opportunity and products directly from you to the potential customer. This marketing model is profitable for both parties, the company and the consumer, thanks to a system of constantly increasing revenues and commissions, in parallel with the increasing number of consumers who become active partners at your side.
Network marketing has the potential to save the United States and the world because it's going to teach people not to be employees, but to be entrepreneurs. So my friend here, Donald Trump, and I, we always write about the network marketing industry. And the reason we support the network marketing industry is because it really is a business school for entrepreneurs. Because most people come out of school looking for a paycheck. Oh, that's terrible.
While it's true that DXN's direct selling strategy brings about luxury and financial freedom as primary rewards, it's essential to recognize the myriad of additional advantages that often remain unnoticed at the beginning. DXN offers a holistic approach to success that encompasses both tangible and intangible rewards. Flexibility of time. You can better manage your schedule, allowing you to allocate work and leisure time according to your personal preferences. This enables you to strike a balance between work and personal life, giving you control over your time frame. Flexibility in the workplace. You have the freedom to work from any location you prefer, be it your home, a cafe, or even while traveling. There's no need for strict adherence to a specific work site, granting you the liberty to choose a workspace that suits your comfort. Positive relationships. Our exceptional project offers you the chance to cultivate robust connections with customers. You can establish enduring and strong networks with outstanding partners locally and globally. These relationships can prove highly advantageous for you in both your personal and professional spheres, fostering a positive and supportive work environment. Skill enhancement and ongoing training. Engaging in this venture enables you to refine a diverse array of skills, including communication, time management, and cutting-edge marketing techniques. This is facilitated through a continuous series of complementary professional training sessions conducted by experts, ultimately amplifying your prospects for success. Travel opportunities. Our project offers various chances for travel, including international conferences and camps, along with opportunities to win complimentary tourist trips. This enriches our lives by rejuvenating our energy, strengthening our relationships, fostering personal growth, and broadening our perspectives through the exploration of diverse cultures worldwide. Making a positive difference in the lives of others. In our outstanding project, you're not simply offering products that improve others' lives and enhance their health, but you're also initiating a profound transformation in their lives. You provide them with an exceptional opportunity for both intellectual and financial growth, for which they'll be forever grateful. DXN isn't merely a business entity. It's a worldwide family uniting people from various backgrounds across the globe, all driven by the shared mission of enhancing the lives of millions worldwide. Feel free to reach out to the person who shared this video with you to get involved, or contact us directly through our contact information to receive a response from one of our project experts.